If you like taking pictures with your iPhone or your Android, here's a website that will actually pay you for selling these photos on this website. Check this out. So just head over to foapp.com, and this website will actually pay you a little bit of money for your videos and photos. How cool is that? You can download it on the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Next thing you want to do is come to the right hand side and download the app, and you can do that on the Android or the iOS. Now once on the app, you can take part in something called missions, and each mission has a different requirement. Now check out this mission. You can make $300 here if you win this mission, and this mission right here, you can win $2,000. That's pretty darn cool, right? So your job is to make sure that you submit as many photos with the right specifications as possible, and hopefully you'll win one of these missions. You can also just upload tons of photos onto your profile itself, and if somebody buys them, you can make up to $5 per photo. Pretty darn cool, huh? So there you have it, a pretty easy way for you to start making some side income, just selling the photographs that you would take on your iPhone or your Android device anyway, right? Now, if you're not so keen on selling photos through FOApp, then there are many other ways that you can still generate a lot of income through the internet. I mean, we live in the internet age. You should be able to leverage technology and software and generate a lot of income, right? And that's how I do it every single month. So if you'd like to find out exactly how I generate 5 figures a month, 100% from home, just go ahead and follow me on my channel. Click on the link inside my bio, and I'll send you some free training that will show you step by step exactly how you can model exactly what I do. Speak to you soon.